Hello my bitty bees, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review slash first impression on the Amazing Beauty Hair Remy hair extensions. So if you are a new viewer to my channel, or if you have already been a viewer of my channel, then you may be familiar with this brand. This is the brand that I most frequently use for doing my own DIY tape-in hair extensions. I love doing my own tape-in hair extensions. I've been doing them for about a year now on myself, about once a month to once every 2 months at max. I rotate my hair extensions out, I reuse them for a few months, then I get a new pair. I have always used the standard tape-in hair extensions, but this time I wanted to try something different. So although they are tape-in hair extensions, they actually are Remy human hair, meaning it's basically pure, undyed, super healthy hair. With that, what I really was excited about when I saw that they had this product on their website was the fact that I will get some close-up shots after, but what I loved to see was that it wasn't a kind of solid band color at the tape part. Now with the other extensions that I have used before from Amazing Beauty Hair and from other brands is that I did notice that the tape was kind of like a solid color. So if the color of your tape-in hair extensions didn't perfectly match your root color on your head, it was a little bit obvious at times to see the bands. So when I saw these ones, you can see right through that it's transparent and you can see the individual sections of hair. I'll insert a clip here of a close-up to make it more easy to understand what I'm explaining, but that just seemed like something that would probably blend easily into the hair. Now, one thing that did somewhat bum me out is with the Remy human hair, because it's undyed and natural, it doesn't have too many color variations in regards to a extension that has roots and then a gradation into a lighter color. So this color matches the majority of my hair pretty well from the midsection down, but to the top it's a little too light. So what I'm going to be doing today to see how this works on my hair is I'm only going to be applying it along the midsection of my hair. Reason being is because I want it to not be too obvious if it doesn't blend too well with my natural root color, and because personally I'm trying to wean myself off of tape-in hair extensions, because my hair over the past year of wearing hair extensions has actually grown to the length that I have my hair extensions cut to when I have them in my hair. So that falls right about here. And when I first started wearing hair extensions, my hair was about to here. So I have grown a solid amount of hair over this year simply because I gave my hair a little bit of a break from styling by wearing hair extensions. That's the one reason that I love the Amazing Beauty hair extensions, is because while I have them in, my natural hair is less exposed to heat styling tools and the damages of combing and daily wear and just life in general. The one downside to hair extensions though is that when you're wearing them super consistently, you of course can experience a small amount of hair loss just from the weight being on your roots at all times, and the removal process sometimes natural hairs can be accidentally pulled out. I have noticed over the year my hair has gotten a little bit thinner overall in quantity wise, but it's nothing drastic. Especially if you practice proper removal techniques, you won't see a great deal of hair loss from wearing hair extensions too much. But like anything in excess, you do need to take a break from them. Similarly to getting your nails done, getting eyelash extensions, it's healthy to take a break every so often to give your hair and your roots a little bit of breathing space and the opportunity to kind of refresh and recharge. So with that being said, I am only going to be putting my extensions around the middle part of my hair, strictly to just give a little more volume to my hair, while the rest of my head takes a break from extensions. So what I'm going to do today is I'm not actually going to be showing in the video the application process of the extensions. I might show a quick clip of me doing it, but I actually have a full dedicated video on how to put in and do your own tape-in hair extensions. This is the technique that I have been doing the entire time, this entire year that I have had my own tape-in hair extensions in. This is simply just a review on how I feel about the Remy hair extensions by Amazing Beauty Hair. So I'm going to go put these in and I will tune back with the final result to show you just how good they really are. Okay, you guys, it's a little bit later and my extensions are in. I'm surprised, I only used almost an entire pack of the extensions. Like I said, I did not want to put a whole entire head of extensions in. The only reason I am putting extensions in this time around is because I want that added volume. I'm not really looking for a consistent length enhancement throughout. It's just the purpose of volume today, but they feel super comfortable. One thing I did immediately notice different about these Remy extensions comparatively to the regular tape-in hair extensions that Amazing Beauty Hair sells is that for the folding technique that I do for applying my own hair extensions, these ones were a lot easier. They are more malleable and easily foldable comparatively to the other ones, which I feel are a little more stiff. One thing I did notice is I think the extensions in general are a little bit thinner, there's not as much hair in them per individual weft comparatively to the original tape-in hair extensions. I feel like they have just a little bit more hair in them per individual weft comparatively to the 100% Remy ones, which is fine. It just meant that I did feel like I needed to put in more wefts for the volume that I wanted compared to the last time that I put in wefts. I think the last time I did my own hair extensions strictly for adding volume, I only put in 12. This time I think I did maybe upwards to 16 to 20. I didn't exactly count. Let me just count the missing ones. So I just counted, I put about 18 wefts in my hair. So it's a little bit more than I did the last time to get the same amount of volume, but I love it. I'm really enjoying the fact that they're so easy to fold. It made the application process a lot more smooth and simple to do, which I really, really enjoyed. I also love the fact at how healthy these extensions feel. They are super, super shiny, super healthy, and I feel like I'm probably gonna get quite a few months wear out of this hair. So if you guys are interested in doing your own DIY tape and hair extensions, then definitely check out Amazing Beauty Hair. In the description box down below, they have such a large selection color-wise for tape and hair extensions. That's honestly the number one reason why I chose Amazing Beauty Hair to be my supplier for my tape and hair extensions, is because the color variety is massive. And as someone with a bit of a multicolor hair situation going on with multiple tones in there, that was absolutely important and ideal to me. The price is also unbeatable. They're super affordable for hair extensions. The quality is there, the product is good, and the shipping is fast. So if you guys want to do your own tape and hair extensions, please do check them out. They're an amazing company. They also have other types of hair extensions there as well. It's not just tape-in. You can get anything you can imagine hair extension wise from Amazing Beauty Hair. So do check them out. If you guys enjoyed this review video, remember to thumbs up, comment down below if this helped you deciding what product you should use, and of course subscribe to see more hair related videos on my channel, skincare, makeup, and whatever else. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.